Hello, dear children. Welcome back to your maths class. Chapter 1 Place Value. In this, we will learn about rounding off the numbers. So, let us begin. See, children, numbers are rounded off when we need only an estimate. If the numbers we are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then round the number up. If the numbers we are rounding are followed by 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then round the numbers down. For example, one number 55 is written here. We have to round this number to the nearest tens. Now, first thing we will see where 55 lies. Where this number comes between which two numbers. So, 55 comes between 50 and 60. And as 55 is the middle number, then it will always round up towards the greater number. So, in this number line, which is the greater number? 60 is the greater number. So, 55 will round up towards 60. So, answer here will be 60. Now, let us see another example.
See children, now let us take another example and the number is 35. Now you have to round it off towards the nearest tens. For this also, first we have to see where this number 35 lies. It is between which numbers? 35 will come between 30 and 40. See, 30 and 40, 35 comes between. And now let us see where 35 will round off. Will it come here? Will it become 30 or will it become 40? See children, 35 is the middle number. So it will always round up towards the greater number, that is 40. So the answer for this will be 40. 35 will round up towards greater number, that is 40. So answer will be 40. See children, let us take another example. Now there is a number 63 which we have to round off to the nearest tens. Now what we will do, the first thing we will see that where this number 63 comes. It comes between the number 60 and the number 70. So 63 is the number between 60 and 70, and in this curve you can see the mid number, that is 65. So 63 is smaller than 65. See, 60, 61, 62, 63. This shows 63 number will come here. It is smaller than 65. So it will round off to 60. So answer for this is 60. 63 will round off towards 60.
So, children, as I explained you in 1 and 2 examples, how we do round off to the nearest 10. Now, here we are taking exercise 1.5 and we are solving some of the sums randomly. So, this is the first one. The number is 47. Now, the first thing is you can make a mountain like this and you have to find out where this number 47 lies. It is between which two numbers, which two tens. So here I have made one number line also for you all. As you can see, 47 lies between 40 and 50. 47 is written in red color here and the middle number, mid number is 45. So as you can see, 47 is greater than 45. So it will round off to 50. So you can see here once again children, I'll explain you. 47 comes between 40 and 50. 45 is the middle number and 47 is greater than 45. So it will round up towards the greater number, that is 50. So the answer will come here The answer is 50 here. Now let us move to the second number, that is 385. This also we have to round up to the nearest tens. So first we will see this 385, where this number lies between which two numbers. So for this, first we will draw a mountain. Then we will write those two numbers where 385 comes. So 385 comes between 380 and 390. And here as 385, we have to round off 385, and 385 is the middle number also. So the middle number always rounds up towards the greater number. So 385 will round up towards 390. So answer will be 390 here. There are two more sums which I have done here, children. So first one is 4185. Again we have to round off this number to the nearest tens. So for this again I made one mountain. Now let us see this number 4185, where this number lies. It is between which two numbers? It is between 4180 and 4190. And what is the middle number? This number itself is the middle number, and it will round up as it is the middle number. 5 is there, so it will always round up towards the greater number. So it will round up towards 4190. This is the answer. Now the sixth one is 6292. Again we will draw one mountain like this, and we will see where this number lies, between which two numbers. So here is the answer. This number lies between 6290 and 6300. So this number 6292, this number comes between 6290 and 6300. And what is the middle number here? 6295. This is the middle number. As you can see, 6292 comes before this 6295. It is smaller than the middle number, so it will round down towards 6290. Once again I will explain you children. The sixth one, 6292, it comes between 6290 and 6300, and we have to write the mid number also, that is 6295. Now 6292 is less than, it is smaller than 6295, that is middle number, so it will always round down. So the answer will be, answer here is 6290 is the answer here. Children, this is homework. So you have to round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. So this you will do in your maths fair copy. Thank you children.